Hi there, welcome to On 2 Steps. In this video, I am going to guide you through how to log into Coinbase through a phone. So to do that, first you need to download the app, or you can directly go to the Coinbase website and log in through there. For downloading the app, first you need to go to Google Play or App Store and type in Coinbase and download there. So now open up the app and you will see a sign up and sign in page. If you haven't signed up for Coinbase, then do watch our previous video. We have shown you how to sign up for Coinbase. Now click on sign in button. After doing that, to log in to sign in, you will require your email and your password. Place in your email and your password. After placing your email and password, click on sign in. After that, they will send a 7-digit code to your phone number. So type in the code and click on verify. After clicking the verification button, now you have successfully logged in to Coinbase. So that was the procedure of logging in to Coinbase. If you find this video useful, then make sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification button if you wish to get notification of our newest uploads. For now, thank you for watching.